double, single squats, same transitions, you're just changing the way you jump.
One transition to rule them all. Let's have a look at 4 different techniques. We've got the double under transition. Run in on the squat. And what else could we have? Squat jump. And of course, with the squat jump, we have the lunge. I do have to say though, my favourite is the squats. Swings. Oh yeah, before I forget, if you need a jump rope to get cracking with, or if you haven't got one, or if you're tired of your old one, the link will be to my left. Click that and get yours. Listen to the sound of this thing. I mean, it just sounds beautiful. A simple transition. One of my favorites. In my mind, I call it one transition to rule them all, because you can combine this transition, as you've just seen, with a bunch of different techniques. What you're doing is you're doing 1 rep of the technique and using 2 side swings. So if we go with singles, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 side swings for each rep. 2 side swings for each rep. Of course, it's trickier because doing those extra side swings is a challenge. Side swings at speed aren't easy. It's about getting your wrists across in one direction and over in the other direction very quickly. And plus, you've got to make sure you don't slap yourself on the toe, on the elbow, etc. So it's tricky at speed. It will train your coordination a bit more because, again, you can do single reps as quickly as you want, singles or doubles, and this is all well and good. This is tough in itself, but you throw some side swings in there, or you go into a squat. Now with the squat and also with the lunge, the problem is that you actually need the side swings, because otherwise your squat would look like this. That doesn't look very fun. Could do it quicker. Nah, that's not it, that ain't it. You want to get some side swings in there. It's essential for that movement. And so, in fact, as I was working with someone just recently, he said to me, the squat in particular was one he wanted to get. And I said, have you tried the one transition to rule them all? He said, huh? I'm joking, I didn't say that. But I did show him the transition and take a look at how it helped him. So there you have it. Best way to start with some singles, pick a side, pop out to that side, swing to the left, swing to the right, or swing to the right, swing to the left, whatever is more comfortable for you, right? This is a sneaky way to learn anything. Do what's most comfortable first. Get the repetitions under your belt, train that muscle memory, but don't get to a point where you're so comfortable that you can only do side swings on the right side or on the left side. Not only is it not as cool as being able to do it both sides, but over time, I know this from experience, you can develop muscular imbalances. In my earlier years of training, I used to hammer my side swings like you wouldn't believe. I'm right-handed and I'd bang these out constantly, training session after training session. I developed mild scoliosis, which for those of you who don't know is a curvature in the spine because the muscles on one side of my back were pulling the spine in one direction from overuse, from being too tense. So I'm not just trying to be mean and have you whip yourself a bunch of times trying shit out on your weaker side, although that will happen. But again, you get to a point where it's odd, you don't feel the whips anymore, and especially as you're progressing. Masochism, I don't think so. I think you just get more used to it. So let's run through that again. Run in on the spot, double unders. Oh no, that's not it. Sorry, it's there we go. And what else could we have? Whatever you want to do. Work that side swing, transition, and let me know how it goes. If you enjoyed this video, of course, please don't just click off the video, go off about your day, have your dinner and all that stuff. At least leave a like, leave a comment. It makes the hours sitting up drinking coffee, editing these videos all worth it. Appreciate you guys. Until next time, all the best with your training and stay raging.